Google's next flagship phones could be more expensive than expected, and a new report is giving a clear reason why. If the latest information turns out to be accurate, the entire Pixel 11 lineup could see a price increase, with the Pixel 11 Pro XL potentially starting at $1,299. That's around $100 more than the previous generation, and it's not just Google making this move. The smartphone industry is changing, and AI could be one of the biggest reasons behind it. The rumored pricing for the Pixel 11 series is already creating a lot of discussion. The standard Pixel 11 is expected to start at $899, the Pixel 11 Pro at $1,099, the Pixel 11 Pro XL at $1,299, and the Pixel 11 Pro Fold could reach an eye-catching $1,899. If these prices become official, every model in the lineup will cost around $100 more than its Pixel 10 counterpart. So why is Google increasing prices? The biggest reason appears to be the rising cost of memory. Modern smartphones now need faster and larger memory chips than ever before, especially because of advanced AI features. As global demand for these components continues to grow, manufacturers are paying more to build their devices. Those higher production costs are now being passed on to customers. But memory isn't the only factor. Google is investing heavily in artificial intelligence, and the Pixel lineup is becoming one of the biggest showcases for its Gemini AI platform. New AI-powered tools require stronger hardware, more processing power, and additional development costs. Features like smarter voice recognition, faster real-time translation, and advanced photo editing all require significant resources. As AI becomes a bigger part of the smartphone experience, building these devices naturally becomes more expensive. Despite the higher prices, Google is also expected to introduce several upgrades to make the Pixel 11 series more appealing. One of the biggest improvements could be storage. Reports suggest that the base Pixel 11 and Pixel 11 Pro will finally move from 128GB to 256GB as the standard option. That means users will have much more space for apps, photos, videos, and AI-generated content without needing to upgrade to a more expensive storage version. Interestingly, one rumored change has surprised many people. The Pixel 11 Pro may reduce its RAM from 16GB to 12GB. At first, this sounds like a downgrade, but Google reportedly believes its software optimization can deliver the same smooth performance without needing extra memory. Android optimization and AI-powered resource management could allow the phone to perform just as well while lowering hardware costs. AI features are also expected to receive major improvements. Smarter digital assistants, more accurate voice commands, better language translation, and enhanced photo editing tools are all rumored to be part of the Pixel 11 experience. Google appears to be focusing on making AI more useful in daily life instead of simply adding flashy features. Of course, a higher price is never easy for buyers, and Google reportedly understands that. To make upgrading easier, the company is expected to continue offering generous trade-in deals. Customers may be able to exchange older Pixel devices or even phones from other brands to receive significant discounts on the new Pixel 11 series. There could also be promotional bundles, including discounts on accessories, Google One subscriptions, or extended warranty plans. Flexible monthly financing options are also expected, allowing buyers to spread the cost instead of paying the full amount upfront. All eyes are now on August 12th, when Google is expected to officially announce the Pixel 11 lineup. That event should confirm the final pricing, reveal all of the new hardware, and demonstrate the latest AI features in action. The biggest question is whether these upgrades will be enough to justify the higher price. More storage, smarter AI, and better software certainly add value, but many buyers will still compare the Pixel 11 series against strong competition from Samsung, Apple, and other flagship brands. As smartphones become more powerful and AI becomes a standard feature, price increases may become the new normal across the industry. Google seems ready to bet that users are willing to pay more for a smarter smartphone experience. Now the decision will come down to one simple question. Are these new AI features and upgrades worth? If this video was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest smartphone leaks, tech news, and launch updates. Thanks for watching.